Hey everyone, Gil here, GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about shoe and boot laces. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down there so you don't miss out on any of this great information. All right, shoe and boot laces. Well, doesn't sound like a big topic, and you're right. It's not going to be a very long one. So make sure you have extra shoe and boot laces for several changes on your boots, because hey, if the balloon goes up, if SHT happens, if it's the end of the world as we know it, it's going to be hard trying to find more boot and shoe laces. Now, one of the things you can use as a replacement for boot and shoe laces is types of paracord. And you want to get the good ones, the tough ones, that way it lasts longer and you can do whatever you need to do. Now, when I cut paracord for whatever it is I need to use, it loves to fray on the end. One of the things I do for that, I take get one of these blades. I usually don't do it in this. I'll take one of them out. I'll put it in a pair of vice grips and lock it down on it. I will hold the blade over a candle or a flame to get it hot, and then I will put it on the paracord, and it just cuts through and it fuses the end, one shot, and that way you don't get the fraying unraveling. But your shoelaces and bootlaces, there are different types out there that are made. There's some of them that come waxed or have an oil type substance in them. So if you're out in tromping through the muddy areas and stuff, hunting or whatever else, it keeps the water from getting into the shoelaces and breaking them down. So there's all sorts of different types. There's round ones, there's flat laces, whatever it is that you use, just pick some up, pick a bunch up. And if you want to do the paracord, get some good paracord, and it comes in different colors. So get whatever color you want. I do not recommend neon green or fluorescent pink or fluorescent orange or any of those colors. Stick to the more subdued ones, the black, the grays, and the browns. All right? And everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most of all, stay prepared. Keep on prepping. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.